Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine and enjoying this virtual study also. In our previous video, I explained you about different basic geometrical shapes, and then after I explained you about angle. What is angle? What are the different parts of an angle? How to write name of an angle? What is the symbol of an angle? How to draw or measure an angle? All these things we learned in previous video. Now in this video I am going to explain about different types of angle. Now all these angles are differentiated on the basis of their measurement. So on the basis of their measurement, the first type of an angle is right angle. Now what is right angle? An angle of exact 90 degree is called right angle. Here you can see these two are rays. One is ray AB and another is ray BC. These both are arms of an angle, and here at the point of B they met each other, so that it is called vertex, and this is the angle. You can see that these both rays are perpendicular and they form L shape, English alphabet L. That's why this type of angle is known as right angle. In the beginning, as I said, these angles are differentiated on the basis of their measurement. So it is necessary to remember the measurement of each type of angle. The first angle, right angle, its measurement is fixed. An angle of 90 degree is known as right angle. And here, as you can see, it looks like English alphabet capital L. Now it's not like that L, that means only this type. If it is given like this, it is also right angle. Suppose it is given like this is also right angle, and if it is given like this is also right angle. Not only like this, suppose it is given like this also, and if it forms English alphabet L shape, that means this is also right angle. So to remember about right angle, you have to just remember L, English capital letter L. So this is about right angle. Right angle is of 90 degree, exact 90 degree. Now the next angle is straight angle. First right angle, it has fixed measurement. Another angle, it has also fixed measurement. Straight angle, from the name only you should understand that straight means straight line. An angle of exact 180 degree is known as straight angle. You can see here I have drawn here one straight line. But only line is not called straight angle. It should have 3 points also. So that only then it becomes straight angle. So here this straight line having 3 points P, Q, R is a straight angle. Its measurement is exact 180 degree. Now right angle is of 90 degree and straight angle is of 180 degree. So here you can say that two right angles make a straight angle. If I divide this angle in two equal parts, now you can see that there are two L's. This one and this one. So we can say that two right angles make a straight angle. So right angle, it is of exactly 90 degree, and straight angle, it is of exactly 180 degree. Now third type of angle is acute angle. Now to understand about this acute angle, we have to consider this right angle, because as per the definition, an angle less than 90 degree is known as an acute angle. Less than 90 degree. Now look here. Here right angle is given. This is right angle ABC. This is exact 90 degree. Now as per the definition, an angle of less than right angle. So if here is another ray BD. So now this angle DBC forms an acute angle. Now in acute angle, the measurement is not fixed. It measures between 0 to 90 degree. That means it is greater than 0, but less than 90 degree. It can be 2 degree, it can be 89 degree, it can be 1 degree. All these angles are called acute angle. This you have to remember. Measures of an acute angle is 0 to 90 degree. That means between 0 to 9, starting from 1 to 89. It will be acute angle. It looks like English alphabet V. To identify acute angle, you have to remember English alphabet V. It looks like English alphabet V. Here you can say this is an acute angle. So on the basis of this right angle, this is the first acute angle, less than 90 degree. Fourth is obtuse angle. An angle more than 90 degree. Now here the word is an angle more than 90 degree is known as an obtuse angle. Previous was acute angle, that was less than 90 degree. Now this one is obtuse angle and it is more than 90 degree. Suppose this is right angle. If this rays goes in this side, that means it is more than 90 degree. So now this angle PBC is an obtuse angle. If it is less than, it will go like this, and if it is more than, then it will go outside of this ray. So this is an obtuse angle. It is more than 90 degree. Now as it is more than 90 degree, it measures between 90 to 180. Here it is 90 degree. Now it go beyond this 90 degree. That's why it measures between 90 to 180. Now 90 to 180 means it can be 91. If it is 91 degree, then also it will be obtuse angle, and if it is 179 degree, then also it will be an obtuse angle. So here I have written it is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So this is about obtuse angle. Only one word you have to remember, it is more than 90 degree. To identify, there isn't any sign. For obtuse angle, there isn't any sign to identify it. Next angle is complete angle. An angle of exact 360 degree is called a complete angle. Now, complete angle is out of your syllabus, but this is for your information. Complete angle. Now here I have written an angle of exact 360 degree is called complete angle. So let's see here. This is angle ABC, and if you remember, this is a straight angle, and measurement of straight angle is 180 degree. Now if I continue this angle in the opposite direction also, now it makes 180 degree, another 180 degree, total 360 degree. So this angle is called complete angle. It completes a circle, 180 degree, another 180 degree, and it called complete angle. Now here I have written 4 right angles is equal to 1 complete angle. So look here, if I draw a line like this, here are 2 right angles, this one and this another one. And if I draw one another ray here, it also divided into 2 right angles. So we can say that 4 right angles is equal to 1 complete angle. In the same way, 2 straight angles. If I draw this line, you can see here that this is a straight angle 180 degree and this one is another straight angle of 180 degree. So 1 complete angle is equal to 2 straight angles or 4 right angles. Last type of angle is reflex angle. This is also out of your syllabus, but for your information, reflex angle, it is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. To understand this type of angle, let's have a figure of an acute angle. Look, if you can't understand, just draw the L shape. If this ray is inside L shape, that means that is acute angle, and if this ray is outside L shape, that means that is obtuse angle. Here it is an acute angle. So inside this it forms acute angle, but outside it forms reflex angle. An angle opposite to the acute or obtuse angle is called reflex angle. It is always more than 180 degree but less than 360 degrees. Suppose you have given here obtuse angle PQR. So here inside these two rays it forms obtuse angle, but here outside it forms reflex angle. Now we understood about different types of angles. Now here is the question: identify and write names of different angles in the figure. Here you have given one figure. From this figure you have to find out various types of angles, like how many right angles are there, how many straight angles are there, how many acute angles are there, and how many obtuse angles are there. So first we will identify and write right angles. Now for how to identify right angles, so the first thing I told you is it looks like English alphabet L. So if you see carefully this figure, here you can find out English alphabet L. And in the first video I explained you how to write name of an angle. If you write only vertex, that is also correct answer, but here you can see that this also right angle, this side form English alphabet L, that means this also right angle, this one is also right angle, and this one. So if you write only vertex for all these four right angles, you will write only S. So if you have given this type of figure, prefer to write the name with all these three alphabets. So that you can differentiate. Okay, this one is this right angle, this right angle. So prefer to use all these three alphabets to write name of an angle. So first right angle we will write here, that is angle PSR. Always write name with the symbol of an angle PSR. This one is right angle. Now another right angle is angle PSQ. PSQ. This also form right angle, so that we will write here angle PSQ. Now next right angle, here you also see, you can see that here it forms L, English alphabet L shape. So we will write it angle RS, and here the point is given here. So it is angle RST. Next right angle opposite of this QST. There is one more right angle. If you observe this figure carefully, here you can see English alphabet L. It is not straight like this. It is like this. So this is also right angle, and name of this angle we will write angle QPR. So in this figure there are 5 right angles. First angle QPR, then angle PSR, angle PSQ, angle QST, and the last one is angle RST. Now we will write acute angle. Next angles that you have to find out from this figure is acute angles. As I told you, acute angle looks like English alphabet V, and they are smaller, less than 90 degree. So we'll start from here. In this figure, in this part you can see that there are 2 triangles, this one and this one. So if this is right angle, then obviously these 2 are acute angle. So the first acute angle we will write angle QPS. Angle QPS. Then PQS. Look, don't be misunderstood. Here we are using this alphabets. So the alphabet which is in the middle of this two alphabet, that is angle. So here we write first angle QPS, that means this one. Now we want to write this one, so we'll write PQS. PQS. Same way, in this triangle, this is right angle, so that these two angles are acute angles. So first I will write this angle. So angle SPR. SPR. And the next acute angle I want to write this one, so I will write PRS. Angle PRS. Now look in this part. This we have done. Now from here you can see these two triangles. This one and this one. Now in this one triangle, this is right angle, so that this angle and this angle, they both will acute angle. So first I will write this angle, angle SQT. Next acute angle STQ. Now in this triangle, this one and this one, these two are acute angle. So this one will write angle SRT. And this one is RTS. Now the last one is this, the whole QTR. This one. This is also an acute angle. So I will write here angle QTR. So here all these are acute angles. Now the next one is obtuse angle. Find out how many obtuse angle are there. So now combine these two. So we'll write its name PRT. PRT. So the first obtuse angle is PRT. And the next opposite to it PQT. This one is an obtuse angle. So there are only two obtuse angles, PRT and PQT. Now straight angle. Last one is straight angle. How many straight lines can you see in this figure? So there are only two straight lines. This one is the first having 3 alphabets, and next one is this one having 3 alphabets. So the first straight angle is QSR. Angle QSR. And second one is this straight line, angle PST. I hope you all understood about different types of angles and how to recognize them, how to write down their names. Do all this work in your notebook. One more figures I am going to draw here that you have to do yourself in the notebook. And please watch the full video, subscribe it, like it and share it with your other friends. They are studying in different Kendriya Vidyalayas, so that they also will get benefit of all this material. So here I have drawn another figure. You have to observe this figure, and from this figure you have to write down names of right angles, acute angles, obtuse angles and straight angles. Thank you.